There appears to be a conflict of interest when it comes to Democrat Congressman and House Committee Chairman Elijah Cummings and where his wife is working. One America's Kelly Ayers explains.
Democrat Congressman Elijah Cummings and his wife, Maya Rockeymoore, are facing an ethics investigation. This after a complaint was filed with the IRS Monday by the Government Integrity Project, part of the National Legal and Policy Center. The complaint alleges Rockeymoore makes millions of dollars from donations made by special interest groups or businesses. And some of them reportedly have or have had connections with issues before the House Oversight and Government Reform Committee Cummings chairs, like Google and Johnson & Johnson. While Rockeymoore chairs Maryland's Democrat Party and ran for governor of Maryland in 2018, she is also the president and CEO of Global Policy Solutions, LLC, a consulting company, and runs a charity called the Center for Global Policy Solutions. Tax records reportedly show the charity received more than $6 million in grants from 2013 through 2016. Some of that money came from Johnson & Johnson's charity Robert Wood Johnson Foundation. Up until 2017, the Johnson Foundation gave more than $5 million each to Rockeymore's charity and her consulting firm. Since then, Cummings has been looking into the issue of higher drug prices. A hearing was held last Thursday on the issue after Cummings announced an investigation into a dozen drug companies, including Johnson & Johnson, in January. In March of 2017, he announced President Trump was with him on the issue, considered a priority for the administration.
Drug prices are going up higher and higher, and more people are saying that they cannot afford the price of their prescription drugs.
Rockeymore's for-profit consulting firm was granted $1 million to help fight childhood obesity in 2017. But because the charity states its mission is to create healthier communities, Monday's complaint points out the two are not allowed by federal law to both work on the obesity project. And when required by the IRS to show financial records to the National Legal and Policy Center, Rockeymoore reportedly said no. Kelly Ayers, One America News.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube. And call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.